audio, countdown, start recording. Streaming, what up, everybody? Got Shane in here, we got Timmy in the house. I'm just gonna go over some things today that we were gonna cover. Let me pull this up. Today, we are gonna go over the open, low, high, close again a little bit more, and the OTE. Jimmy loves his OTEs. Or you usually fib the opening candles, right?
Yeah.
Can you do that with just like a 5-minute open, or?
I do the 5-minute, and then when the 15 opens, and then when the 30 opens.
It's like pretty much the whole opening range.
Yeah, the 5, and then once the 15 opens, and then when the 13 opens.
Ooh, the 13-minute.
30.
Oh, 30. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go over that. Let's dive in a little bit here. So we're back testing. Scroll all the way back. And you look for that 9:30, right?
Yeah.
Well, 9:30. So with those ones, right, we want to make sure that we either hold below the 50% in order to continue to downside if it's a bearish candle, or bullish to continue to the upside, right? And then if we break above the 50, then it's kind of like reversal.
Yeah, I look at the 618.
John's streaming here too.
Oh, shit, my bad.
Good.
Whoops. Always forget something, right?
A lot of shit.
Yeah. Okay, cool. There we go. So at 5, got our 15, and you got your 30. Oh, this is a 15-minute chart. Hold up. I was like, dang. Let's see. Yeah, we like to fib. What is this, 9:30? Six one eight 9:39, 35, 9:50, 10. So that's pretty much that 10 o'clock. You can see we came back into 50 of it. We had a Timmy candle over here as well. All right, and then we bounced off of it, continued up a little bit more. Let's keep going. Also going to review that Asian session too. See, came up. This took out that Asian session high, Asian and London session too, and then we sold back down as we have these lows over here, and all the Timmy candle up top. Timmy, some exciting news actually. Timmy's working on a little indicator that's gonna tell you some things. It's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, and it's only going to be for paper traders.
Mm-hmm. Well, exclusive.
Yep.
For the members.
Only for the members. Yeah.
So
And it's just it just kind of gives you the best times of the day to trade. Like, start looking for support and resistance, or whatever your strategy is. It usually will line up.
Yeah.
I used to trade with alarm clocks, and figured why not just make that an indicator.
For sure.
That's crazy. Work smarter, not harder, right?
That's right.
Over here. So this is a 5-minute candle. First 5 minute. Look at that. 786. 5-minute candle. Manipulates above it. Reject this Timmy candle as well. And then we come back down. Alright, I'm sure we can.
Ah.
Up, go ahead.
How many times on live you hear me shorten off the golden pocket of the 5-minute candle?
A lot of times.
Yeah, it's a freaking killer.
That's good because I actually did want to backtest that. I was like, golden pocket. The glizzy zone. I forgot who keeps calling it glizzy zone. If I know somebody does it. The golden pocket. Yeah, there's the golden pocket right. There's your whole candle outlined. That first 9:35 minute. We come back into the golden pocket of it. Sell back down 5618 4236. Solid, right? Continue.
Just over and over and over.
Ugh, fucking A. Fuck.
Bless you.
Thank you. City PPT. God. Fucking.
Oh.
Did you just sneeze?
No, I yawned.
Tired boy.
Yawn boy.
Yawn boy, 9:30, 9:45. Right. Keep taking it up until 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock right here. Come up. Retest the 618 of that range, right? That's your 9:30 to 10 o'clock range. Is that 618? First candle retraces into it, sells down, and then we continue back up because we bounced on this little Timmy zone right there. That's also solid. Half day. Do you ever measure news candles, Timmy?
Which ones? The big ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to measure those and see what we do with those. Let's look at this one, right? That's what we like to talk about. Like to talk about it coming into above 50% of it, which is exactly what this one did, right? Came into 50%, sold back down.
Yep.
That's similar
See
to
that Timmy sandwich?
right here.
Or yeah, right there.
Beautiful setup. Love me Timmy sandwiches. Dude, Timmy sandwiches are the best. Ooh, look at that. 5-minute candle, right? There's that 618. 5-minute range, 618. Come back down. Oh, you could have taken it right there. That's a perfect trade right there.
If you look at your 15, you had a beautiful trade off of it too.
Or on this
I
day.
remember that day. Yeah, I remember that day.
15. This is January 10th.
Just move it. Just move your fib down one candle. That'll be your 15. Right there.
Right, 940. Right there. No. It'll be on this one, right? 945.
No, it'd be your 940s for 15.
940. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. It's just that low right there. Whatever the low is
Oh, okay. Yeah, makes sense.
out of those two.
Oh, yeah, because the next 15-minute opens up, and that's the 945.
Yep.
That was your January 10th.
And then if you move it down one more candle, when we came all the way back up at the end of the day, we rejected that one. And that'd be your 30-minute.
That'd be on this one, yeah. 945 or over here? 1010.
Oh no, it would be 10. I was looking at it wrong.
Yeah, 1010. Yeah, I remember
So,
this range. We came into it pretty much for just the OTE of this range created, and then sold back down from it. So OTE, right, guys? OTE, we are basically looking for any range that is the manipulation ranges, right? We're looking for those internal to external kind of thing, right? So internal is going to be anything inside of it, and external is going to be that high and low. So over here we have this high and this low, so we come back into external or internal liquidity, right? And that's where OTE helps you. If you throw a range on it from high to low and you outline it as a bearish move, then we're looking for this to reject, right? And what do we have over here to the left? We have a little TBR setup. Come into it, sell back down. Made a TBR and Timmy sandwich. Looks like a PBR and Timmy sandwich. So 9:30. All right, take this. Probably 9:40. There's your 9:30, 9:40 right there. So what do we hold over here? We hold the range 618 of it. 786. We hold it all. You can see we don't have a body close below it with solid displacement, so we continue back up. And we can target that London high, and we also have this Asian high, which we did come and get at the end of the session here. All right, or that was almost the next day, capped up and took it. Which is nice if you're holding contracts, right? You can buy somewhere over here. It's a full day's worth of trades. A little 24-hour hold. Another Timmy sandwich right here. Right, you can outline this candle right there. Sure, full range. It's candle
that Timmy
786.
sandwich. Dead top.
Yeah, yep. It's solid. It's a solid Timmy sandwich. So then 9:30, you have your range. 9:30. Right, that's your 15-minute setup. You sell down. 10 o'clock retracement or reversal. Sometimes come back into the Timmy candle into OTE and sell back down from there. And then you can also outline this with your OTE your standard deviation, right? So then you can target the 1618, 2125. Those are all solid. That we reach all of them. All right, on this one, you can also throw that on the whole range. And where do we come into? The 618 of that, right? Just what we talk about, capturing the swing high, swing low, come into here. And from this one, right, you can do a lot with fibs. You can throw this fib on here. And we almost reached the 1.618, which lines up with this 618. Sell back down from it. Huge fucking candle.
Look at that, right off the top of the golden pocket.
On this one?
Wasn't that CPI?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah, nah, yeah.
So, golden pocket. It's going to be like right here. Just 5 minutes. Almost a Timmy sandwich actually right here too. 1, 2. Kind of continue up. Not much of a range on the day, but that one CPI candle is just a boner. Keep her going. What do we have here?
Was that the last CPI candle?
I think so, yeah. Wednesday, January 25th. Let me take a look.
No, that was January. That was the one where I almost got the top of it.
Wednesday, January
When I
25th.
sold.
Wednesday, January 15th, sorry. Wednesday, January 15th. Yeah, core CPI. I remember that. Dude, next week is filled with news. We
It
fucking
is.
I know.
covered. It's insane. PMI, unemployment claims, non-farm payroll. Fed Chair Powell speaks at 10:30. Okay. Wait, what time zone are you on, Timmy?
What time zone am I
Yeah.
on?
Yeah.
My trading stuff stays on Eastern besides Ninja Trader. I haven't changed it yet. I need to though.
Where do
But
you? You're
I'm
central.
central, but
Oh, okay. So you're 3 hours behind the market.
one.
Oh, okay.
My 8:30 is open.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you're an hour ahead of us.
Yeah.
That's cool. There's once again your 9:30 candle, 5 minute, come back into 705. Fair value gap inside of it too, just like we talk about, and then sell back down from it, right? So combining fair value gaps and your OTE is a solid, is also a solid setup. Just want to be looking for 9:30. This one right here. Do you ever do the 925?
Yes. So like
Like if it's like a work.
if it's a reversal, I do.
Okay. Then yeah, this one is 1618 right there. Yep. So back down. A little bit, and then we continue going. Right there's your
I'll send you some charts on how I play it.
hell yeah.
It's a little crazy.
Yeah, anything you do is a little crazy.
It's way outside the box, that's for sure.
We like that.
Yeah, we like outside the box. That's what.
I was
Yeah,
never
so-
in the box.
Yeah.
I was talking with somebody and they're like, "You're like a genius," and I'm like, "Man, I just think outside the box. Like everybody like looks at this and wants to do this, and I'm like, well, how can I get like a better outcome?"
Yep.
Yeah.
That's
Everyone else just follows each other, and I think it's good to be different.
Exactly.
Especially
Well-
with trading. Use your creativity, like Alex
all.
always said.
Well, see, whenever like all I did was back test for a year, so I generated my own strategy, and I just listened to YouTube videos of people talk about like how you'll never be a successful trader, and that was kind of like motivation.
Yep, for sure.
Yeah. Look at this one, right? 5 minute. 618. Dang, that actually fucking hits so many times. What the fuck?
So many
wait.
times.
How-
It's so underrated.
How do I not fucking play that? That actually plays into my strategy so well. Because I always look for like a 930, 915, like retrace into something. And that's like a solid ass one. Yeah, because I always look for like an open high, low close type of shit. So just have to wait the first 5 minutes.
Yeah, hey, take it down 2 more candles, and there's your 15-minute, and look at that, right back into it. Boom.
40, yep. Scale in some more, and then you take
Yeah,
it down
just-
further. That's crazy.
Just over and over.
That's crazy. I might have to start smacking that.
I am so I'm going to test the Timmy candles at open.
Mm.
I'm gonna try to run that back for 2 to 4 years, depending on how bored I get. After about a year, I get real bored of back testing, but just like once you break the 50% of it, like what's the winning percentage of just taking that direction?
Yeah. That is crazy. Look at this nine. So 930, 618. Come up. That's wild. That's like. It's so many days. What the fuck? Right. New strategy. Not new strategy, but definitely adding that to it for sure. It's the patience. Waiting on it. 50%. Eventually do come back into OTE of it. That's wild. Where else? 9:30. So kind of. Right, this one's more of like this range.
All right, so here's another thing that you can do. So like when the 9:30 candle, so the 9:35 candle, if it makes a higher low but closes inside of the body,
Mm-hmm.
then you can use those two
Oh, okay.
together and get the exact same, a little more accurate levels, a little more accurate golden pocket.
Like that one.
Yep.
I guess you can take this one to the top. Like that. 618. Yep. 618 and continue up. That's crazy. 618, and then you can just take it off right there. And that's
Yeah.
here.
So when you start back testing that, or if you do back test it, off the open 5 minute candle, look at 9:45 off the 1618 or 2618. Because you can tell,
945.
like, so there'll be like I guess it'd be 940 on here, but if you look at when there's like a lot of range, like when the open candle's big, then you can start looking at the 1618, 945.
618. Yep.
Doesn't
That's
doesn't
what I
hit
hit.
doesn't hit doesn't hit every day, but when it does, it's nasty.
Yep. 960. There's the 618, 945. 940 on this one. Gussie.
Damn dog.
930. Timmy candle at the bottom of it.
Mhm.
Okay. 4618. We don't really get that. But right here we have a Timmy zone. Rejecting that over here. Come back down. $9.30.
There's your 950 reversal or 945 reversal. Boom.
Yep.
Then look, he breaks the top 5 minute candle, back tests it, and off to the races.
Oh yeah, right here.
That's another one, man. Whenever we break that and back test it and hold it,
Yeah, that's the ICT talks about that one. It's like your
dude, especially like you'll see those days where we like kind of grind, and we grind above or below the 5 minute, man. Those days options go absolutely berserk. Especially like right into 10 o'clock, and then we just continue whatever side we're on. We just continue that way.
yeah. There's your 10:05. Come back, retest it. Continue up. It's crazy. There's your 9:30 candle. 50% of it.
Almost got there. It hit your 915 though.
Yeah.
One more. Not your 915. Your 15 minute candle.
Yeah. Oh yeah. 618. It's right there. To a T. 618. Continue down. So right there. Nice. Here 9:30. Scan, but you said we can take those two 945 retraces into it.
Yep.
945 into 1.618. Did you look at that? It's into the -1. Guess you can really take like a 618 off the reversal candles too.
Yes, you can. So like that's another thing. Like we get reversals like that. You fib it, that golden pocket. Like like sometimes we'll like would sell off a little bit and come back and retest, and you get right in that golden pocket, then sell. Same thing for longs.
It hits fucking perfectly. That's your almost 10 o'clock. 9:50 reversal. Continue on over here. 9:30 candle. You hold it fully. Completely, yeah. 9:45, 9:30. That's good.
Which one was your 10 o'clock candle?
That's my 10 o'clock candle. It was this one, this green one.
The 9:55 back test at the top of that.
Oh, yeah, it came up. Yep. Right here at 0. It's crazy. So many new things we're learning here on stream today. So 9:30 and 40.
9:30, 1618, sell back down.
That's this candle. Oh yeah, that's crazy. 9:45, 1.618 to a T. So back down to it. Yep. Take it to whatever liquidity is over here. This blunt bottom, 5-minute.
We had a TBR right there too.
On this one.
Yeah, so that red zone you just put up.
Oh yeah, I think that was on the 15.
Yeah, there was a.
Or was I marking out the hourly? I forgot what I was marking out over here. I think it might have been the hourly that we were came back, tested this one, bounced off of it. Back over here, 9:30. Almost a Timmy sandwich. I guess you could really test the break of this one. Break that, held it right there.
Yeah.
Came back up. It's choppy range. Have any Timmy setups? Gotta keep going. It's your 9:30 candle. $1.618, 705. Come up into 1.618, 10 o'clock. 10:15 reversal. 10:15 Timmy candle. Retest.
Look at that TBR. That Timmy candle at the. Nope. Go next one over.
This one.
No, go to your right.
Go to my right. This.
Keep going. So we got that high with the Timmy candle at the top.
Oh yeah, right
then
here.
Then your next high over. So your lower high.
This one.
Keep going right. Keep going right. Right there.
This one.
Nope. You just had it on it. Right there, yeah.
This one's the TBR.
Yeah, so look to your right side.
Oh yeah, how he came into
Nothing
it.
huge on that one, but you had
Yeah.
a nice little short there and a nice long.
Yep. Just that one is, yeah. And then Timmy candle right here. Held that down. Retested it multiple times. Back up. Asian session. Take both sides. Big wick. Take both sides. Sure, 930 to 35. Then 45 comes into here, but we can honestly take this Timmy candle right. Hold in the 618 of it. Come back down. 5.618. Look at that. This job right here. Jesus. It's gnarly. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Yep.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
All that's ever in my head. I don't know why. Tism.
Tism, yeah. Strong with this one. $9.30. There's a retest of everything. Come back down into it. Continue up. 2125, 25. Beautiful. 920, 930. Break of this. Retest that. There's your macro reversal 1050. Huge fucking kill. Damn. And all the way back up. That's a good one.
That was the last CPI.
Yeah. It's great on those silk candles. I remember this. I had my shorts over here.
Yeah.
And I literally put it like right here. My stop was above this one, stopped me out and just sold out like son of a bitch.
I was there for that.
This retest of that. 5-minute break. Continue up. This Timmy candle retest. Right here on the 5-minute 930.
TBR.
Yep. And then if we take this 935.
I didn't even long one time that day. I just shorted.
Yeah, I remember we kept on having those retraces. Those are 915. 1618. 10 o'clock. Continue up. Retrace and continue up. London takes bottom. Asian left right there. So 930 candle. 945. Back into those levels. Hold them. Continue up. All of those TBRs right there.
Hey, fib your 830 candle. Look at your extensions. Yeah. That's your data candle. ES is a little more accurate, but
618. -1. Yeah. Continue going. You have here. 930 candles a wick.
oh, you are on ES, aren't you?
No,
you're
I'm
on
not
S,
good. Yeah.
Yeah, so I thought, yeah. So like all those setups I coded, they do not work on NQ.
Looks like I'm gonna have to open an account to trade ES. Only thing I've been trading for the past 2 years is Nasdaq.
Maybe when
Dude,
you're done, Timmy, I can translate it to NQ.
so the Timmy sandwich traded 88 times. It was like -3 grand. And there's no way to filter those out because there's just so many. It's not consistent candles, I should say.
It's probably because all the wicks. Yeah, and Q's much more
Yeah.
whippier price action than.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the Timmy zone, like Friday, like just Friday alone, it took 19 trades.
Jesus.
Yeah.
It's wild.
And they were all losses. Every one of them.
L after L after L.
Yeah. It's, what do I do?
Don't put a trading robot on Nasdaq. Not to
Won't
sell.
be me.
Yeah, ES respects their shit, but I like NQ how well like retraces into shit.
Yeah.
Over here, 618, 5 minute, 9:30, right there. 9:40, beautiful. And a retest of this as well. Continue down. 2.125. Phenomenal. Over here, 9:30, 9:45. 30.5. Right there, continue down. Sell that. 10 o'clock, almost reversal. Clock 10:05. 9:35, 9:30. 618. 9:30, 618 took the top of this range too. I remember this one. Where we had those left. Oh yeah, that's February 20th. Yeah. That's the week I was in
Oh, yeah,
Florida.
that was.
I remember these shorts. Pretty much this whole week could have just taken fucking shorts. They're running the same fucking H pattern. H.
Over
H.
and over and over.
Yeah. I was looking at it like on a higher time frame. I was like, damn, like every fucking day. Past like a week and a half. That's all they've been doing. Timmy's own golden pocket. At 9:40. We just almost of the 618. 9:45. Continue down. That's a solid ass setup. This Timmy zone right here. Break it. Retest it.
The
little
Timmy
CBR.
Timmy sandwich bot caught that one.
I love me a Timmy sandwich bot. Did it capture the whole range?
It was all but like $11 of it.
That's crazy.
Because if it happens at like a right around high of day, it's automatically has set like it's $48 range.
Damn. Oh yeah, cause top of day. That makes sense. You're looking for the average move on it.
Yeah. So if it's not at high of day, I have a running stop loss. So it's still going to catch $15 to $20 of it no matter what.
That's crazy. $30. Come back down. There's your H pattern. Back London. I remember this one. A little choppy chop. 9:30. There's that 15. $705. 42 that one. Don't quite hit it, but we expand hard. Then Timmy bot also captured this one too. Let's keep going over here. 9:30. There's that. I remember this shit too. There's that 9:45. 1618. Continue up. Break of this. Hold that. Continue up. There's your break. Right. Continue up. And slow back down. Timmy's sandwich inside of that. 9:30, 9:35. Break of these. Actually, Timmy's sandwich over here. It's at the very top. So back down. Those cells have been nasty. That's your Friday. $9:30 to $9:40. Back, hold 50% of it. Continue up. Timmy zone over here.
Look at that M.
Sell back down. Yep.
Then look, did a TBR right there too. Then rejected.
Yeah, it's this one.
Right, no, the middle of the M.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was. I prefer to see all that stuff on the right side where it kind of got a little higher. Is kind of hold that and like sell off a little bit further, then come back up and retest it and sell off more.
Yep. This one too. This Timmy sandwich. This Timmy candle held nicely.
Perfect.
That's your Friday. That's our little back testing for tonight. And everything. 7:51. Yeah. Been going for a solid hour. That's your Friday. That's our little back testing for tonight.
Already?
Yeah, we're at 40 minutes. 47 minutes. Crazy how time flies when you're back testing.
Yep. Really do.
Hey, remember that one day when I was like, I'm gonna back test that 15-minute strat? The 15-minute retracement before open?
Yeah.
Dude, it was like 35 minutes. I did 3 months. I had like the
Holy
win
shit.
percentage and like max P&L
Damn.
with stop loss.
It's crazy. Adderall's afraid of Timmy.
Dude, it's like whenever I post videos, people are like, man, you go too fast. I'm like, I went slow.
Yeah.
1.5 speed.
Yeah, your videos are fine.
I've just back tested so much, I just want to get it over with.
Honestly, you could have gone faster in your videos, to be honest.
Oh, I can go fast.
Backtesting like the 9:15 opens? Like the 9:15 candle?
Like on the 15-minute time frame, just that last 15-minute swing high to swing low.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then a retracement into it. Remember, I was like, it was only take me 30 minutes to do it, and it was like 35, and I knew the win percentage, I knew the how many no trades there were, then the P&L on it versus and the stop loss.
That's crazy. -1, yep. There's that. Timmy sandwich setups.
Because it's crazy how many times like open will retrace right into that and just continue, just bounce, boom.
Yeah. Or like retrace into the 9:15, right? Or sorry.
Yeah, whatever. No, just that last 15-minute swing high and swing low
Yeah.
right before open.
Yeah. Yeah, there's like 9:30 and 6:18. Swing high, swing low. It's 9:30. Never mind. Is that 6:18? 9:15. Yeah. Honestly, anything that starts at like 8:30 open and on is constantly good. Like 8:30, 8:30 honestly sometimes presents better trades than you have
Oh, it
during the
does.
Eureka session.
And also, like all your 8:30 data candles, when they're real big, they offer a lot of good trades off of them.
Yeah.
I just use them kind of like the open candle.
45. Yeah, so what did we cover today? We just covered kind of like some of that OTE, right, of the 5-minute candle, golden pocket. That's your 618 to 705, right? Or is it the 50% to 618? That's your golden
Yeah,
pocket?
well, yeah, it was 382 to 618. Then your OTE is 618 to 786.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I didn't know what OT was whenever I was coming up with that. I just knew the golden pocket was the 618, and the reason why it's the golden pocket is because if you take a fib with the standard fibs with the 786 and the I think it's 286,
Mm-hmm.
and then the 382, the 50, and the 618. If you take that and put your 100 and 0, and then take another one and put your 100 on the 0 and your 0 on the 100, the golden pocket will be exactly the same. The other two won't.
Oh.
So if you ran a so if you were going to program something, you can program it off that golden pocket because it never changes.
So sorry, you were saying it's the...
Yeah, if you just took the basic settings of the fibs.
I do like this one, the OTE. And which ones are we putting in there?
Your 236 over there. You can leave those, but turn your 236 on. Yeah.
Oh,
And then
okay.
so your 786 and 236 will be a little off. Your golden pocket will be exactly the same.
So 786. So there's the 0 on 0. So 236. And the golden pocket is the 52.
No, it's the 382 through 618 is your golden pocket.
52. Oh, okay. Which ones were you saying it was gonna line up exactly the same?
The golden pocket lines up the same. Your 236. So where your 618 is,
Yeah.
should be the 382. So the 236 and 786
Oh, okay.
will be off. So it's a little harder to program.
382.
So it's a little harder to program something that's not exactly the same, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because that range will never move. So that range, the golden pocket, no matter what side you're on, will be exactly the same.
Makes sense.
So whenever I was teaching, the Timmy zone, there's a guy I do a one-on-one with, and he was like, I'm getting confused. I was like, just look at it this way, the 382, and I told him to do this, and I was like, now look at the difference. So you can always, like, no matter which way your fibs are facing, whatever side we're on, the bottom is 618. Even if it says 382, it can be 618 because it's exactly the same.
Yep. 618. Yep. I like it. That's beautiful. The more you learn. Let's do a quick check on Benji. How many followers? 297. 3 more people need to follow at Benji. Yes, Benji.
Yes, but
And if you guys are enjoying this, make sure to go to share. Check out Paper Traders IO in that left corner for you guys. find some tools in there. You'll find our Discord in there, where Timmy is going to be posting a little special bot just for us. Make sure you're following Hazed Beats on Twitter, the man, the myth, the legend, and make sure you're following Big Timmy Hedge. He's the master
about-
fibber. He has candles named after him. He has setups named after him. So make sure you go follow that guy.
I also have an indicator just for y'all on imbalances, and I know they probably have one already that marks them, but this one's going to mark and tell you exactly what time frame it is. So you could be on the 1 minute, and it will tell you what time frame the imbalance that we're in is.
I like that. I think that will be our quick little live stream for tonight. Tomorrow, I think we'll record. Should we do the podcast in the morning and then do, the Timmy sermon and then more back
So
testing?
down.
Hell yeah. And then like weekly overview, we'll find those levels at our
Yeah, we can do
night
that.
stream.
We can do like a little watch list just in here,
Yeah.
just for teasers. I've got a pretty narrowed down list. Kind of hard because we're going into the new monthly open, but I like to let stuff breathe unopen.
Yep.
We'll find some stuff.
Hell yeah. But yeah, tomorrow, I don't know when the podcast will come out, but we'll record that tomorrow in the morning. And then it should be out within the next week or so. We'll do that in the morning. And then at night, you can expect a nice little live stream from us as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We appreciate you guys. That's, yeah, that's the way she goes.